1,200 pounds of coffee. That's how much a single ballistic missile submarine burns through on just one patrol. 300 feet below the ocean's surface, sailors are making fresh bread from scratch. They're grilling steaks, baking pizzas, and serving 4 hot meals every single day, all while living in a metal tube surrounded by nuclear weapons and torpedoes. The U.S. Navy has turned underwater dining into an art form that would make any restaurant jealous. These brave men and women don't just survive underwater, they feast like kings. The numbers are staggering. A single nuclear submarine carries 60,000 pounds of food. That's enough groceries to feed a small town. But here's what makes it incredible. They're doing all this cooking and meal preparation hundreds of feet underwater, sometimes for months at a time, without seeing sunlight. Today, we're diving deep into one of the military's best-kept secrets. How do submarine crews make coffee, snacks, and comfort food under the ocean? The answer will blow your mind. These underwater warriors have created a culinary operation that puts most land-based kitchens to shame. If you appreciate the incredible work our servicemen and women do, hit that subscribe button to support more content honoring our military heroes. Section 1. The Coffee Lifeline. If you're proud of our Navy's dedication to excellence, type "proud" in the comments. Coffee isn't just a drink on a submarine. It's the lifeblood that keeps everything running. The U.S. Navy literally runs on coffee, and nowhere is this more true than underwater. Here's something that will surprise you. Coffee pots are everywhere on a submarine. The bridge has one, the engine room has one. Even the machine shop has its own coffee station. Why? Because submarines operate 24 hours a day, and sailors work in rotating shifts. No matter what time your shift starts, hot coffee is always ready. But wait until you hear how they make it taste unique. During World War II, the desalination systems that converted seawater to drinking water weren't perfect. They left just enough salt behind to give submarine coffee a distinctive salty flavor. Old Navy veterans still add a pinch of salt to their coffee today, remembering that taste from their service days. The scale of coffee consumption is mind-blowing. One ballistic missile submarine goes through 1,200 pounds of coffee per patrol. That's enough to fill a small car. Every single day, sailors drink gallons upon gallons of this black fuel that keeps them alert and ready. Coffee preparation happens in multiple locations throughout the boat. They keep it brewing constantly because sailors from different shifts need their coffee at different times. The cook staff ensures there's always a fresh pot ready, no matter if it's 6 a.m. or 2 a.m. Section 2. The Underwater Restaurant. Now here's where things get really impressive. The galley on a modern nuclear submarine isn't just a kitchen, it's a full-scale restaurant operation running 24 hours a day in the space of an average home kitchen. The USS Los Angeles submarine crew calls their dining area Spago of the Deep. That's a reference to one of the fanciest restaurants in Beverly Hills. These sailors aren't joking around when it comes to food quality. Let me paint you a picture of what these culinary specialists work with. 2 full-size ovens, a 40-quart mixer that could handle a bakery's workload, a grill top measuring 3 by 5 feet, 3 steam kettles that hold 6 gallons each, and 2 submarine-sized deep fryers. All of this equipment is crammed into a space smaller than most people's garages. The daily food requirements are staggering. Every single day, the crew consumes 200 pounds of meat, 25 pounds of rice, 25 loaves of bread, and 500 cookies. That's just one day's worth of food for about 150 sailors. But here's what makes these Navy cooks true heroes. They're not just preparing meals, they're serving 4 different meal times every day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and something called mid-rats, midnight rations for the sailors working the night shift. The menu planning is sophisticated. They rotate through a 28-day cycle of different meals to keep things interesting. Saturday nights mean pizza and buffalo wings. That's a submarine tradition. Sundays bring prime rib or steak with shrimp. They have Italian nights with fresh-baked French bread, lasagna, and spaghetti with meat sauce. These aren't your typical military rations. We're talking about meals that would make civilians jealous. Crab legs, Chinese 5-spice chicken, French onion soup, and fresh salad bars. The Navy understands that good food is essential for morale when you're stuck underwater for months. Section 3. The Loading Challenge. Getting all this food onto a submarine is an operation that deserves its own military medal. The process is different depending on the type of submarine, and both methods will amaze you. For fast attack submarines, every single box of groceries gets lowered into the boat by hand. Imagine carrying groceries for 150 people, one box at a time, down a narrow hatch into a submarine. That's exactly what happens. Ballistic missile submarines have a slightly easier method, but it's still impressive. They use cranes to lower aluminum modules through the escape trunk opening. Each module measures 6 feet by 6 feet by 5 feet. It takes multiple modules to stock a submarine for a long patrol. The storage strategy is genius. Every available space gets used. Food fills corridors initially, with plywood walkways laid on top so sailors can still move around. Salamis and hams hang in sleeping quarters. Sacks of potatoes get molded around equipment. Canned goods go into the bilges because they're completely sealed. Boxes of food even get stored in shower stalls and engine rooms until there's space to organize everything properly. Fresh food presents the biggest challenge. Milk, butter, fresh meat, eggs, fruits, and vegetables only last about 2 weeks. After that, the crew relies on canned, dried, and frozen foods for the rest of the patrol. Eggs get a special treatment. They're coated with Vaseline or grease to limit oxidation and might last into the second month. The submarine carries about 110 days worth of food. That's nearly 4 months of meals. When supplies run low, they send a message listing what they need, and the inspection team brings fresh supplies when they board for assessments. Section 4. Fresh bread and baking magic. Here's something that will blow your mind. Submarines make fresh bread daily, even while submerged hundreds of feet underwater. They don't bring pre-made bread aboard because it spoils too quickly. Instead, the culinary specialists bake fresh loaves every day using flour, yeast, sugar, salt, eggs, and milk stored in their freezers. The smell of fresh baked bread fills the submarine, giving sailors a taste of home even in the depths of the ocean. Baking underwater requires special skills. The ovens work differently under pressure, and timing becomes critical. These Navy bakers have mastered their craft to the point where they can produce bakery-quality bread, pastries, and desserts in conditions most civilian bakers couldn't imagine. The psychological impact of fresh bread cannot be overstated. When you're living in a metal tube underwater for months, the smell and taste of fresh baked bread provides comfort and normalcy. It reminds sailors of home and family meals. Pizza making has become an art form on submarines. Saturday night pizza isn't just food, it's a morale event. The cooks prepare the dough from scratch, make their own sauce, and create pizzas that rival any restaurant. Buffalo wings accompany the pizza, creating a complete comfort food experience that helps sailors forget their hundreds of feet underwater. Section 5. The Comfort Food Strategy. The Navy understands something crucial about human psychology. When you're stuck in a confined space underwater for months, comfort food becomes essential for mental health and morale. Submarines stock plenty of snacks and comfort foods. Chocolate, chips, cookies, and other treats aren't luxuries, they're necessities. These items boost morale during the most challenging parts of long deployments. Special meal events become celebrations that bring the crew together. Holiday meals get extra attention, with traditional foods that remind sailors of home. Themed dinner nights create excitement and give everyone something to look forward to. The crew's mess serves multiple purposes. During non-meal hours, this same space gets used for training sessions, meetings, and relaxation. It's the social center of the submarine, where sailors gather not just to eat, but to connect with their shipmates. Mexican meals have become especially popular on submarines. Enchiladas, tacos, and other Mexican dishes provide bold flavors that cut through the monotony of submarine life. The spices and seasonings help combat what submariners call boat taste, when everything starts tasting bland after weeks underwater. The salad bar deserves special mention. Maintaining fresh vegetables underwater is a challenge, but submarines manage to provide fresh salads for as long as possible. These fresh foods provide essential vitamins and a psychological boost when sailors are craving something crisp and fresh. Section 6. Wartime Challenges and Innovations. During wartime, submarine cooking becomes even more challenging and impressive. World War II submarine cooks worked in conditions that would terrify most people. Rough seas turned hot oil and boiling water into dangerous weapons. Cooks had to hold on with one hand while preparing meals with the other. The 40-degree heat inside diesel-powered submarines, combined with condensation dripping from overhead, created incredibly difficult working conditions. Storage became creative during wartime. Submariners shared their bunks with food supplies. Corridors became food storage areas with walkways built on top. Every available space got used for storing the supplies needed to keep the crew fed during long patrols. Fresh food ran out quickly during extended wartime patrols. After a few weeks, there were no more fresh potatoes, vegetables, or meat. Eggs coated with Vaseline might last into the second month. Eventually, everything came from cans, dense chunks of chicken and turkey, Spam, powdered milk, and eggs. But here's what makes these wartime submariners heroes. They never gave up on providing good meals. Cooks used every trick in the book to make canned food taste good. They traded with passing fishing boats for fresh catch. They scavenged the entire submarine for overlooked ingredients. By the end of long patrols, the constant smell of diesel fuel and hydraulic oil affected everyone's taste buds. Everything tasted like the engine room. That's why the first thing submariners wanted when they returned to port wasn't beer or liberty, it was fresh milk and crispy apples. Section 7. Modern submarine dining. Today's nuclear submarines represent the pinnacle of underwater dining. The Ohio-class ballistic missile submarines carry 18,000 pounds of frozen meat and 20,000 pounds of canned goods. That's enough food to feed a small town for months. Modern submarine galleys use advanced equipment designed specifically for underwater use. Convection ovens provide even heating. Induction cooktops offer safe and rapid cooking. Specialized refrigeration systems maintain perfect temperatures for months at a time. The culinary specialists aboard modern submarines are among the Navy's best. They receive extensive training, not just in cooking, but in nutrition, food safety, and menu planning. These sailors understand that feeding the crew well isn't just about nutrition. It's about maintaining the fighting spirit of America's underwater warriors. Menu customization has become sophisticated. Modern submarines accommodate vegetarians, sailors with food allergies, and various religious dietary requirements. The planning required to ensure everyone gets proper nutrition while maintaining variety is a logistical masterpiece. The 28-day rotating menu ensures that even on the longest patrols, sailors don't get bored with their food. Each day brings different options, different flavors, and different comfort foods to look forward to. Conclusion. The next time you enjoy a cup of coffee or a home-cooked meal, remember the submarine crews who make magic happen hundreds of feet underwater. These brave sailors don't just protect our freedom, they've turned underwater, living into an art form that ensures every American warrior is well-fed and ready for action. From 1,200 pounds of coffee per patrol to fresh-baked bread made in the ocean's depths, our submarine crews prove that American ingenuity and dedication know no limits. They've created floating restaurants that would make any chef proud, all while serving our nation in the most challenging environment on Earth. These underwater warriors deserve our respect and admiration. If this video gave you a new appreciation for what our submarine crews accomplish every day, hit that like button and subscribe for more content celebrating America's finest military personnel. Our servicemen and women continue to amaze the world with their skill, dedication, and ability to excel under any conditions.